Visit the beaches. The Philippines is known for its beautiful beaches, and there are many family-friendly options to choose from. Some popular options include Boracay, Palawan, and Cebu. Take a trip to an amusement park. There are several amusement parks in the Philippines that are suitable for families, such as Enchanted Kingdom in Laguna, Star City in Manila, and Sky Ranch in Tagaytay. Go on a nature hike. The Philippines has a number of beautiful natural landscapes, including rice terraces, waterfalls, and forests. There are many trails that are suitable for families, such as the Bano Rice Terraces or Mount Pulag. Visit a theme park. There are several theme parks in the Philippines that are suitable for families, including Kidsania in Manila, which is an interactive role-playing attraction that allows kids to learn about different professions, and the Manila Ocean Park, which is an oceanarium and theme park. Go on a boat tour. The Philippines has a number of beautiful islands and waterways that can be explored by boat, including the El Nido Archipelago in Palawan and the Tall Lake in Batangas. Visit a wildlife sanctuary. The Philippines is home to a number of wildlife sanctuaries and zoos, including the Manila Zoo and the Davao Crocodile Park. Take a trip to a museum. The Philippines has a number of museums that are suitable for families, including the National Museum of the Philippines in Manila, which has exhibits on the country's history, culture, and art, and the Mind Museum in Taguig, which is a science museum. Go on a cultural tour. The Philippines is a country with a rich cultural heritage, and there are many opportunities for families to learn about the country's traditions and customs. Some popular options include visiting traditional villages, attending cultural festivals, and participating in local cultural activities. Take a trip to a theme park. There are several theme parks in the Philippines that are suitable for families, including the Sky Ranch in Tagaytay, which has rides and attractions for all ages, and the Ocean Adventure in Subic, which is a marine theme park with dolphin and sea lion shows. Go on a food tour. The Philippines is known for its delicious cuisine, and there are many opportunities for families to try traditional dishes and local specialties. Some popular options include taking a food tour of Manila or visiting local markets and food stalls.